Dope.
Thing I'm doing calling CJ24. Hey, remember me? Guess what I did? Got my wing on.
Joke's on you, CJ Point Parts. We made it fit. What's going on, guys? It's Matt.
Stop running. One life, one chance, start living. Sing it louder just to let the world know. No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness.
What do we have here? Got your expo marker, man. Here you go. What are we doing, man? What is this crazy idea you got going on?
This is for an S550. We're gonna make this fit on an S197.
I don't know if we are, honestly.
We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it.
I don't like the looks of this, to be honest.
We're gonna try it. I want this wing to fit. It's gonna fit.
What did CJ Pointy Parts tell you?
They specifically said it would not fit my car. Okay? And I said bullshit. It's gonna fit.
It's made for an S550 though.
Yeah, I don't care. It's gonna fit. It's gonna fit.
Keep putting it on like it's gonna snap in.
I just.
Oh, I thought he was gonna drop off parts. Dang it. Show me what you got.
Hey.
Just gonna.
Oh, nice.
Fuck yeah, dude. Oh man.
Nice. Oh, you're just dropping
it's
everything.
off, bro. We got it off. All right.
Oh my god. Alright, man. Don't mess this up. Why didn't you put the spoiler on first?
I want to fuck up the spoiler. We need to do something right before we fuck up.
Look at these carefully measured out black dots on the car.
Alright.
Oh, I'm closing my eyes.
Oh shit, I'm nervous. Holy crap.
Oh, wait. Reposition. Yeah, reposition.
Good call, Randy.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Wait, hold on. Okay, yeah, I don't want you to.
Randy!
Good kill.
Oh, it's just stressing me out.
Oh my
It's stressing me
god.
out.
Yes, atta boy.
There's no going back after this.
Done deal.
Holy crap.
Is that the big drill bit?
Yeah, this is the second biggest one.
Oh my god. All for an S550 Wing. Can't believe it.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
At least we know the screw fits now. Look at this. Oh no.
Yo, Thunder agreed to trade Russell Westbrook to the Rockets for Chris Paul and future draft picks.
You heard it here first.
Fuck off.
There's no going back now for sure.
Alright, are these the right measurements or are we gonna measure again? Let's go measure again.
Did you move this dot over here?
Yeah.
Okay, this is so
That's
just
like the best we can do.
talk about going in with your eyes closed.
It's literally what we did.
I know.
It's literally what we did.
Oh my god.
So far it looks good though.
Yeah, let me see it.
It fits pretty good.
This is gonna be the hard one.
I have a supercharger.
Why is this one harder?
Holy shit.
Oh shit.
Double banger. Oh my god.
Job's done.
That's this new spoiler right there.
Looks good?
I like that better than the antenna.
Oh man.
Did you drill too far there, buddy?
Just a little bit. We're good though.
Oh, yeah, he did go all the way through.
Should we open this up a little?
Jesus, dude. God.
Honestly, that hole looks like it was already there.
Look who came to save the day. My man. How you doing, bro? Yes, that's what we need.
Ivan came to save the.
We need the big boy drills.
Oh, we already started on.
What are we doing here? Tell them. Explain what's going on here.
Just drilling a fucking hole in it.
Oh, rip the dream. It's not strong enough.
Oh, Ryobi's failing us, bro. You see it?
Oh my god.
If not, use the other bit. Because that one might be too big.
still have to do it to that side too, you know.
I would just leave this charging, honestly.
Dang.
I don't think I should.
You have to show him. You have to show him.
Let's go.
To Ivan's house. Well, we ended up coming over to Ivan's house because, you know, Ivan's always the go-to man when we need something done the right way. This is what this job has come to. Drilling into your brake light.
If you want an S550 Wing, this is what you gotta do. What you gotta do.
So
Or just buy an
basically,
S550.
the brake light is hitting these two bolts from the spoiler. So this is pretty much a full custom job now.
One of the custom spoilers.
I mean, I guess, dude.
Yeah, full custom.
It is pretty
First
dope.
thing I'm doing, calling CJ Point for, hey, remember me? Guess what I did? Got my wheel.
Joke's on you, CJ Pony Parts. We made it fit.
The next day.
Boy. Hey, bud. What's up? What's up, buddy? Alright, it's the next day. We have to come back and try and finish this wing. You're causing us a lot of problems, man. You know that?
My bad.
Hey, baby. Watching your friends do car stuff is, it gets tiring, huh? Is your car gonna look like this one day, bro?
Won't be this slow.
This is really slow. Alright guys, we went ahead and gave the cars a quick wash because they were hella dirty. So let's go ahead and show you guys the finished product on Brandon's car, his S550 Wing. Dang. Dang, look at you. Came out pretty good, man. And you got the louvers?
They said it wasn't
CJ Pony Parts, look at this.
Yeah.
And he's got the louvers on there now. The modification's just beginning, right, man?
Yeah, dude. There's a lot more coming.
Nice. New wheels. Wink, wink. You just gotta love the S197s. How much horsepower did you gain, bro?
About 100, 150 horsepower. Not bad.
Yeah, that wing looks pretty dope, not gonna lie.
Looks nice.
Yeah. Some new wheels would definitely compliment it too. Show us why this wing was such a pain in the butt to put on.
This was the hardest wing ever. I mean, I don't mind personally, but yeah, we had to do a little bit of modification.
You had to make a hole just to get access to those little...
Yeah, just a little modification. I mean,
And
if you really want an S550 Wing to fit in your car, you can,
Yeah.
honestly.
And the two screws here, we had to drill into the light, as you guys saw Ivan do. So it's-
Honestly, it turned out pretty good.
yeah, it was worth it in my
It was
opinion,
really
dude.
worth it.
I think the wicker bill's better. TBH, LOL.
Yeah.
Alright, that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up and drop a comment down below what you guys think of the S550 Wing. And if you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate it. Stick around and see what's up with these little V6s. But other than that, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I've been going to get it, they not gonna forget it. I've been going up, they've been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans that we in it together. I'm never gonna turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I want that I got.